Hello everyone! Today a little trick from Excel. I'm going to prepare dynamic number list in column A, but before I will do it, I will show you two ways how to do it manually and almost manually, or later almost automatically. First, so I need to put manually the name task number 1, drag the column on the right down corner and just extend whatever I need, and Excel automatically put the number 2, 3, 4, etc. Or I can do it even better, use the formula like this. Task number, use and here I need to put the command sequence. Inside the bracket I'm going to put just 100, for example, hit enter, and automatically I see in the column A. Or dynamic option is the best option, so I need to modify a little bit the sequence command here to have option like this. If I put something new in column B, I would like to get new task number in column A. How to do it? Let's delete just 100 and inside the bracket put the new Excel command count A, and I'm going counting the B column to just put here some value, hit enter, just confirm, and as you can see I have just only 4 tasks here, and this task has been numbered. What happens if I put new task here? Click enter, voila, automatically in column A I got what I would like to get. Put more, put more, put more, put more. Wonderful. This is exactly what I would like to have. That's it. Very quick trick, very useful. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next movie.